Hi there. We have a tune-up report today on the Galaxy DX-949. This is from Michael in New York. And over here, Michael, we got 10 watts across the top scale. We turn the power all the way down. Comes in about 1 and all the way up 5-ish. Peak power on this meter, 50 watts low. You're looking up here close to this 30 mark. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Let's turn the talk back off. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. I'm gonna put it in sideband. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Okay, that's sideband, and let's put it on the air. Breaker 19 for radio check. I appreciate it, Han. Drive safe. Have a good one.